Today's lesson. Greetings in Chinese. 问候语，问候语。Number 1. Every morning, dawn, and morning. Number 1. Every morning. 凌晨，凌晨。Dawn. 黎明，黎明。Morning. 早上，早上。Good morning. 早上好，早上好。or 早安，早安。or 早，早。Number 2. Noon, afternoon, and dusk. Noon. 中午，中午。Afternoon. 下午，下午。Dusk. 傍晚，傍晚。Good noon. 中午好，中午好。Good afternoon. 下午好，下午好。or 午安，午安。Number 3. Evening, night, and midnight. Evening. 晚上，晚上。Night. 晚上，晚上。Midnight. 半夜，半夜。In the middle of the night. 大半夜，大半夜。Good evening. 晚上好，晚上好。Good night. 晚安，晚安。